Dallas, Texas. The DOT ban on oversize is still in effect, but I have got to get out of the city before today, because tomorrow starts the Super Bowl traffic, and I don't want to be stuck in town. So I'm at least going to get to the other side of Fort Worth. And if I get stopped by DOT, I'll just play stupid. That's easy to do. They have no snow clearing equipment in Dallas, apparently. A friend about 60 miles ahead of me told me that they do have graders out on the highway with sand trucks following behind them. Maybe it'll be a little clearer. I've been sitting here for 2 days. I'm about to go stir crazy. The sign says this is the exit onto the interstate. You can't tell.